Welcome to Don's Manufactory. Well, haven't heard from me in a while, eh? Well, I suppose I should give you a little rundown of what's been going on. In that last video, the little short that I did, I showed that I was working on the house. So, here, I'll just give you a quick rundown on that. Took all the furniture out of the house, got a moving container, and stored all of the stuff out of the house, all the furniture and everything in there. And then I went about fixing the walls and woodwork. And so it begins. Just working on getting there's a little water damage under the window right there, so I'm working on that. And then I'll just go around the edges, and then I'll go rent the machine to do the bulk. Made repairs to the floor, refinished the floors, everything got painted and dressed up new colors, and rearranged the furniture, took out the carpets, and we just went with area rugs this time. Anyway, you can see all of that here in these here pictures. It turned out to be a lot of work. I spent about Yeah, perfect timing, as always. So I spent about 4 weeks on my knees doing that, fixing to the floor and everything. In the end, geez, I only just finished the smallest of projects about a week ago. There's a lot of little things that had to be done. After I got done doing the remodel part and got the furniture back in and the house set up so that we could, conduct life, as it were. Then I went about winterizing the house. I was leaving town in the 1st of October. I went to Ohio and visited museums there. We got to see, Alderman, what was his name? Gale Halderman, the guy that designed the Mustang. We stopped at his home. He's since passed away, but his wife was there and showed us the museum that he had, Mustangs and stuff. And the local Mustang club, Ford club really, they sort of keep a static display there in his barn of different Mustangs and cars and stuff. It's actually a pretty cool place, and we just sort of stumbled across it. Anyway, we went to the Museum of the Air Force in Dayton, and it took 2 days to get through that museum. That was pretty fun. What you see behind me here is a Link trainer. My mom was in the Marine Corps, a technical sergeant in charge of the Link trainers at El Toro. That's how she met my dad. He was re-upping his instrument rating in 1944. We were back there about 5 days, and then I came back. And in the meantime, I had to get the house winterized. I was afraid the rains might start while I was gone. Brand new fireplace, one that's, up to code. It's got a catalytic converter in it even. Then the next thing was cleaning up around here, which, as I know you can see this, what a mess my garage is still. And mostly because I had to change it from a automotive / fix the Mustang garage to a wood shop. So everything's covered with sawdust in here, and I got to get all this cleaned up. And it's time to get back to working on Betsy. But also, I've got to show you this. I bought, if you recall, a year ago or so, a friend of mine passed away, a musician friend. Well, this last week I purchased one of his guitars. This is going to be sort of a labor of love. It's a 1953 Gibson Les Paul gold top. Well, it was a gold top. But as you can see here, somebody, before my friend owned it, had sanded off all the gold paint. And it's pretty common. The gold paint looks pretty bad after a while. A nice guitar. The neck is, even though it's been busted twice, it's really straight and it plays really nice. It's not really a collector guitar. It kind of is, but it kind of isn't. But because it belonged to my friend, I've just decided I'm going to fix it up so I can play it. Another thing I'm going to do is my granddaughter is interested in playing guitar. She's left-handed. So I bought a couple of Telecaster kits, one right-handed, one left-handed, and she and I are going to do a grandpa-granddaughter guitar building project so that she can have her first guitar. And just so you know, I I just kind of stopped making videos and everything, and this channel is not monetized. I don't have enough subs for that. So all of this stuff, I mean, for 3 years I have been putting out videos every week. I didn't do it for money. It's not part of the equation at all. Wanted to document what I was doing and maybe help the next guy along. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. So I got to decide what I'm going to do with the channel. I still have things to do to the Mustang. Master cylinder's got to be done, so I've got a dual master cylinder. I've already purchased it. I've got a Willwood over here that I'll be putting in. If you go back to the last, well, we'll call it full-length video, I was replacing the U-joints in the driveline. Well, the driveline vibrates now, so I screwed something up I have to fix. I'm just rambling on, and this isn't going to turn into anything. I'm just sort of, it's been so long since I've been in front of the camera, I don't know what to say. Thanks for watching Don's Manufactory. I'll catch you later.